Ready when you are, CB. Do I start in Canada or Mexico?
It's we didn't do Animal Kingdom.
You really AK hate us?
Tiki Room, folks, brought to you by our friends at Dole. Speaking of Dole, if you do have Dole Whip, you can eat it and drink it inside the theater. However, if you finish it, please toss it in the trash can right outside those doors right there. That'd be great. Those are exit doors. Those will be closed throughout the show. However, if you need to exit for any reason, just push on the door and out you go. No flash photography because it frightens the birds. No smoking because they don't like that. And if you put your phones on silence, your neighbor might appreciate that as well. And with that, enjoy the show. We have to have our Jose, master of ceremony, be there for us. But for some reason, Jose is not vibing with me lately. Watch this. Jose, wake up. Yeah, it doesn't work. I need your help. On the count of three, please say wake up, Jose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Jose!
Oh, buenos dias, señorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo. Pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Oh, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
Ole! It's showtime!
In the tiki room.
All the birds sing word
And the flowers grow. In the tiki room.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway, you lucky people, you. If we work in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too.
All together in the tiki room. In the tiki room.
All the birds sing word
And the flowers grow. In the tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing so low.
See, so low we can't hear you.
May not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is, it's not far enough out of this world. Isn't that right, Herr Schmidt? Oh, I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mi amigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are calling because.
because of their claws.
No, because they were close and a fine feather. And two can sound better than one to get.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day.
In the tiki room. In the tiki room.
All the birds sing words
And the flowers grow. In the tiki room.
Our magnificent production is yet to come. So strongly guitar and beaty drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us. So come on and join us in another chorus.
In the tiki room. In the tiki room.
A little softer. A little louder.
All the birds sing words and the flowers grow. In the room.
Let's give the little birdies a great big hand.
Go down there with both hands.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is. We present the Enchanted Fountain.
Ach, ja. And the wunderbare Birdmobile, which has birds on it, and it goes round and round. And that's why we call it a Birdmobile.
Look, here come the girls.
Mesdames and messieurs, les petits et les petites ladies ont vu ensemble. Just like the funny bergère with only feathers. There's Colette, Hello, Mary. Susan, hello, Mimi. Gigi, Fifi.
I wonder what happened to Rosita.